Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to add indicators on TradingView, and now let's dive right in. Now, to add indicators to your TradingView app, first open up your TradingView app on your phone. And after opening your TradingView app, you can see the chart button at the bottom of the screen, just beside the watch list. Tap on the chart button over here. And after tapping on the charts button, guys, you can see the three-dotted icon over here where I'm tapping, and it says Analysis Hub. Tap on the three-dotted icon over there, and over here, guys, you can see a lot of options, but we will be required to tap on the indicators button over here, just below the tools option. Over here you can see the indicators. Tap on it and search your indicator. For example, I'll be searching for the SMC indicator by Ludoji, and I'll be tapping on it, and that indicator has been added to my chart. So, and you can see, guys, this is the way you'll be able to add indicators on your chart. Just search on it, search your indicator whichever you want to search on your TradingView. For example, maybe let's say there is a session chart. You can see there is the session chart. Either you can just tap on the favorites button over here, and you will be able to see the sessions or the chart on your highlight list where it says the favorites. And there, guys, probably this is the way you'll be able to add indicators to your TradingView app, whichever indicator you want to add. And if you have any confusions regarding the topic, please feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.